Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if an Excel file is not opening up properly on your Microsoft Excel application. This should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by left clicking on the File tab over the top one time, and then you want to go down and left click on Options at the bottom. On the left side here you want to left click on Advanced. And now that you're over on Advanced, you want to scroll down until you get to the General settings. So if there's a box that says Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange, you want to uncheck that box and then left click on OK. And then go ahead and try and open up the Excel file you're having issues with, and hopefully that should have resolved the issue for most of you guys. So as always, thank you guys for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.